What is the world's most expensive yachts to charter? The top 5 are more expensive than buying a house. Number 5, you've got Dream, 2.2 million euros a week. And that thing's got 22 cabins, takes 36 guests, actually a converted cruise ship, Matt. Scenic Eclipse is 2.3 million. That is an Explorer. That is 200 guests on board. That really is your own cruise ship to take on board. Apo at 2.6 million a week, 115 meters long. Then Kismet, of course, one of my favorites. That's 3 million a week. It's got 2 helicopter landing pads, spa, cinema, everything you can imagine. And number 1 on the list, Renaissance, at 3.75 million euros a week. And that thing is insane. 19 cabins, 112 meters. Just go check it out. Which one would you want?